Welcome back friends, and in this video I am going to tell you very quickly how to activate developer option in Play Store and how to disable it. By enabling developer option you will unlock some options in your Play Store. What are those? I am going to tell you in this video. First, how to go to see where developer option will come. Just open Play Store. Okay, tap on here, and after that go to the settings. Here in settings you will see this general. Okay, now in general go to the account and device preferences. Here when you will come back, you will go down, you will see many things. Just go back, and now you have to go to about. In about you will see this Play Store version. Okay, and here in Play Store version you have to tap 7 times. Now you are developer. This will, now we will go back, and now we will reopen it. Tap here, go to the settings, and then go to the account and preferences. Go account and device preferences. Here it will come, and now we will go to the about. Here you will see here developer option. Here internal app sharing means it will allow to download and install test version of apps that are shared with you, and some verify Android device integrity for generating a play integrity verdict. So this is how you have to enable the developer option in the Play Store. If you want to disable it, what you need to do, just long press it, go to the this app info, then go to the storage. From here you need to clear data, but you should be very careful while doing this, because all the settings which you have made for Play Store, that will be deleted, erased. You have no longer your previous settings for this Play Store. Now when you will go back, you will not see the developer option. So this is what I wanted to tell in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.